Hey, it's Mike. Today I want to talk about Nano Dimensions. The stock was up over 4%, up to $7.15 on Friday. The stock has been pretty volatile over the past couple of months, obviously. We started talking about Nano Dimensions back when it was under $3. And since then, we've seen it pop up to nearly $5 and have a direct offering that dragged it back down, but it went back up. And the stock has had four direct offerings within the past about 4 months. The last one was a couple of weeks ago when they did a direct offering at about 7 and knocked it down to 6 and change, and it fell even further. However, the stock is back up to over $7 a share. I predicted that at the end of the year that Nano Dimensions would be above $7 a share. So it's at that level now. So I feel pretty comfortable at it. I do believe we'll have a rally in the Nasdaq going into the end of the year, so there is an outside chance that Nano Dimensions could hit $8 a share. However, I do want to warn that I do believe that there will be a sell-off in the general markets, tech stocks and all stocks in general in January, and that's because you're going to get a lot of capital gains selling. People are not going to want to sell at the end of the year because they'll have to pay their taxes on those capital gains in 4 months. However, if you sell in January, then you can wait 16 months before you pay your capital gains. So I do think that people will be taking profits on stocks that were big winners over the past year, and Nano Dimensions is definitely one of those stocks. So just be aware of that. Don't panic. If you want to sell before the end of the year, you can go ahead and do that. Just be aware you have to pay capital gains still in 4 months. If you see the big dip in January, just don't worry about it. The stocks will recover, but we're probably kind of overdue for a little bit of a 5% correction in the market, so we may get that in January. But overall, I think Nano Dimensions is doing really well. For those who are new to the stock, they are in the 3D printing business, and 3D printing is becoming really huge. It's going to be a big business over the next decade. And also another big thing that's going to be driving Nano Dimensions that they've raised over $200 million with their direct offerings, and that money is going to be used towards marketing. That's going to help give Nano Dimensions an advantage over other 3D printer companies of its size. So definitely check out Nano Dimensions. It's an excellent long-term hold. I think over the next decade or so, there's a company that could easily be worth 10 or $20 billion. So definitely check them out. They trade on the Nasdaq under the symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.